Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are returning, welcome back, boo. So you guys, you already know I'm bringing you another hair review. You have seen me review this company several times, Beauty Forever, so you pretty much seeing me unboxing everything. But you guys, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and let's just jump into this video.
Bend that shit.
Crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body, crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body, crazy curvy wavy big titties little waist body, crazy curvy wavy big titties little. How about that? Ate it up and gave it back. Gave you feel good, but they still wanna know we're making it. Talking like a barbecue, but you won't get your baby back.
So you guys, you see how it looks straight out of the box. So it does have 2 combs in the front and 1 comb in the back. So let's get this baby on. So you guys, they did send me, I don't know why a lot of companies put these light stocking caps, but it is what it is. You already know we can fix that once I get this baby on. So pretty much you guys, I'm just showing you how this baby looks. So you guys, basically in this part, I just really play with the hairline just a little bit, but girl, I didn't do the whole hairline. But anyway, but as you guys can see, the top is legit. It looks very, very natural, the parting and everything like that. So you guys, yeah, I still hooked it up, but I will probably play with the hairline a little bit more. So you guys, basically I'm just using my Got To Be and just laying her down. I don't plan on keeping her on like a week or 2. I normally just take my wigs off and put it in the back on, because if you have the ability of knowing how to put on wigs and take them off, and you know, I don't keep my wigs on that long. I just reapply, or I don't just do the 6th layer. It all depends. Like if I'm going on vacation or I just want to keep it on when I don't have to deal with it, then I will like do a longer process of applying the wig. But this is just my quick and easy way on how I do it, and it'll last me up until I say 2, maybe 3 days doing it this way, just with the Got To Be and making sure my blow dryer is really, really hot. And yeah, and it sticks, you guys. It works for me. So yeah, this is my method of what I do. This is what I do. Okay you guys, let's get into more detail about this unit. So you guys already know that this company Beauty Forever sent me this unit to review for you guys. This is a T-part lace front Jerry curl wig, 16 inches. This is Brazilian virgin human hair. They claim it to be pre-plucked lace part wig and 150% density, and the color is natural, and it is made for a middle part. So yes you guys, so basically right in this clip you see me just cutting off the lace. In the last clip you guys, you seen how I used the spray and I used the blow dryer, and now I'm cutting off the lace. This is just, like I said, this is what I do. This what works for me. Everybody have their own method, and if you are a beginner, you will also find your best way of doing things and how you like it. Always, you know, do what's best for you. What's one ready? I said which one ready? So you guys, this is like my 3rd install. You can see pretty much how good she still looks. Like I said, you guys, she can even get bigger once I like brush her out. She's pretty much damp in this clip, but you guys, this hair is amazing. So you guys, like I said, I will leave all information down in the description box. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.